Hello, hi everyone. Welcome back in my another video. So today we will explain how to create your gallery and forum within 1 minute. Okay. So let me create it. First, you need to link your list. Okay, list or database. Okay. So first you need to go here to review and you need to click on new screen. Here is the option for table and forum. Okay, you need to select this one. Once you selected it, then automatically template insert here. Okay, just you need to do few things here. You can check your logo here. Okay, and you need to select the table, and here you need to type your data source name. So our list name is service tickets. You can type this one, and here also you need to type in the forum data source the service tickets. So you created your gallery and form within minutes. Okay, so let me explain how you modify and this one. Okay, so here is a gallery option and you want to show here employee name and the status and date. Okay, so you need to go to edit button. Here you need to arrange the alignment as per requirement. I want employee name on first. Okay, I want status also on second option. I want created date of submission on third option. Okay, now you are able to view. Here is request submit by yes, and this is request in status is in process, and this is the date of request. Okay, so you are able to view the all things, and also you want to edit here the columns. You need to go to edit fields, and you need to select add fields, and you can select from here everything like employee name and other things assigned to attachment and date of submission description, job id, job type, priority, status, subject, and you can edit. And also you can rearrange the all columns. How? Like, okay, so you can arrange the columns type. Okay, so yeah, these text columns like attachment on number I want in last, so you can just drop and down in the last section. Okay, you can arrange as per your requirement if you want subject on this one, and if you want job id on first number. Okay, so you can arrange everything as per your according. Okay, and you can also job after job id you can arrange the job type. So here now you can job id, job type, employee name, assigned to date of submission, and everything in the options. If you select this one, you able to view the all details here. If you select this one, you able to view all details. Okay, you need to click on edit, then you can edit it and submit it. Okay, if you want to delete it, you need how to set up the delete button. You need to just copy your service, your data source. Okay, and you need to click on delete button. Then here is showing one pop-up, and you need to change the formula of delete button. Here is you need to remove the table, and you need to type your data source name, where is showing table and column close and off. Then you need to type here your data source name. If I'm selected here Manish. Okay, if I'm selected here Manish and I want to delete it, and just I need to click on delete, and here I need to click on delete. Now Manish is deleted. Okay, so these are the option. If you want to create new one, then you need to select the new and you can create it. Okay, and now how you can show the header name and logo here. So for the header name, you can directly change from here also. Just you need to click the title and you can remove it. If you want to show only your screen name, you can type here your screen name, and just you able to view the screen name here. Okay, If you don't want the screen name, you can directly remove this formula and you can type manually your name. Okay, like I am type here gallery. So now I am able to view only gallery here. Okay, if you want to change logo, and you need to just select on the logo icon and you need to upload here. And here is option for profile. If you select this one, you will able to view the user details. So this is the option for this one. If you want to search your gallery items, just you need to go on search icon, and here you need to copy this one, and you need to go again your table, and here you need to add the filter. Just you need to type filter, and this is filter, and filter in you can type your search text input dot value in I want employee name, date employee name column only filter. Okay, just you need to type your column name and close it. Okay, if I'm search here the yes only, so I'm able to view only yes data here. It's work out focus out, so you need to remove here one thing. You need to change here the text input one thing. You need to go and focus out as a, you need to search as a key press. Once you type, after typing it's work. Okay, and this is a responsive screen. You can check also for your device. Let me select the canvas view. This is canvas view. If you want to show the eye in the phone section, you able to view. This is phone section view. Just go back and select any data. You able to view, edit and delete everything. This is an okay. This is only responsive, and you can select also tablet view. Here is tablet option, and you can select the type of the data. If you want to rotate it, you just okay. So thank you so much in this video. If you need any help, you can check my contact details in description. Thank you so much.